Hello friends, and welcome back in today's video tutorial where I am going to be sharing with you how to design a basic calculator in labVIEW. This calculator is capable of performing all the basic mathematical functions such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If you are new to this channel, my name is Kenija and I am a holder of a bachelor degree in electrical and electronic engineering. In this channel, I share with you my experience as far as engineering is concerned. You should know that there are several ways of designing a calculator in labVIEW. In this video, I am going to be sharing you one of those ways. So open your labVIEW. Once in your labVIEW, you are going to have a front panel where we are going to place our components to be programmed in our block diagram. So in your front panel, just right click on the screen and go to numeric. Choose a numeric control and place it here. You can see that it equally appears in our block diagram. Right click again, choose another numeric block control and place it on the screen. We are going to call the first numeric control number 1. That is the first entry number. And we are going to call the second num2. Now, since we are going to display the output of the computation of the first number with the second number, we have to equally add another numeric indicator. So, right click on your screen, go to numeric and select a numeric indicator. We are going to put 4 numeric indicators. We are going to put 4 numeric indicators. On the first numeric indicator, we are going to label it as add. That is the addition of the two numbers. On the second, we are going to label it as subtract or sub to signify the subtraction of the two numbers. On the third, we are going to put multiplication or product. And on the fourth, which is the last one, we are going to put division. So, let's now go to our block diagram and program this system. Since we are going to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, we are going to right click in our block diagram, right click on the screen, and you come to numeric. We are going to take the first one, which is add. We are going to place it here. Then you right click again. You go to numeric, you take subtract. You right click again on your screen, you go to numeric, you take multiplication, and just like that, you take division. These are the 4 basic mathematical functions we want to implement with our calculator. So now we are going to connect this circuit. The first number enters on the first terminal of the addition, while the second number enters on the second entrance of the addition. Similarly, we are going to do same for the subtraction and the others. Okay, now, so when you are done doing that, you want to connect each of these output to their corresponding indicator. So, for the add, we are going to connect it to the indicator add. And for the subtraction, we are going to connect it to the indicator of subtraction, and so on. So now, when you are done doing this, you save your work and you come to your block diagram and you run the simulation. You can see this arrow here, run continuously. You run the simulation continuously, and once you run it continuously, come to the numeric, come to the num1, and you click and increase the number to, let's say, 3. You can see that shows that 3 plus 0 is going to be 3. 3 minus 0 is going to be 3. 3 times 0 is going to be 0. And 3 divided by 0 is infinity. So let's try to put 1 in the number 2. Once you put 1, you can see 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 3 times 1 is 3. As well as 3 divided by 1 is 3. You can do that for any number, and you see the various answers displayed on the indicators. So this is how a basic calculator can be designed in labVIEW. This is just one of the ways. In our next video, we are going to see another way in which we can design this basic calculator in labVIEW. Thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.